down, and I hammered that pig, but we only brought out a 243 yesterday, and so he ate that lead and took off. We're gonna see if we can't find him today. There's a good chance that he's probably still alive, but hopefully, fingers crossed, we can find this guy and get another round in him. We brought the old Thompson Contender 270 back out, so got a little more lead in the pants today. Hopefully we'll get it done. Let's look back at the footage and see, because he stopped somewhere right up here for a second. I doubt we're gonna find any blood. Those things have so much fat on them. These are the fattest pigs that I've ever seen. But hopefully we can find something. Yes! I cannot believe we found that sucker. If it's not him, it's another big boar. Tell you what, bud, you got some pigs out here, man.
Fuck, I want that head.
I cannot believe this dude. He's still alive. He's got 2 rounds in him. Both front shoulders are broken. I'll tell you what, seeing that makes me almost as scared to be out here in the brush with them as I am as grizzlies up there in North Idaho. That's ridiculous, dude. He's still clinging to life. I cannot believe that. Oh, buddy, we got it done. I can't believe that. How are we gonna get that thing out of there? Look at those cutters. Oh my gosh. Man, I've wanted a Euro mount boar for so long. This is epic. This is absolutely off the charts. Holy smokes. He's a stud. Thank you, Mark.
Remember how in Wyoming we talked about well-documented idiocracy. This is another one of those moments. We're gonna stuff the camera in the tree so that we can get the drag out. Well-documented idiocracy for future reference.
Only do this when you have an awesome warranty on your camera.
There's a loose shoulder.
Oh. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Fuck this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, he might be staying down here. No, don't get dirty. 1, 2. That's what I was worried about.
Can you get up here?
1, 2. Okay. Got that?
Yeah.
1, 2. Oh yeah.
Okay.
You're lucky I
One
love
more.
you, kid.
One
1, 2.
Well, we made it happen. You know, this was a business trip. Came out to Oklahoma, support some clients at the Outdoor Nation Expo, and tagged on a couple extra days. Actually, just a extra day to come spend some time with Mark and come out here in Southwest Oklahoma, do a little pig hunting. We came out last night. Pigs were out. They wanted to cooperate. We found this guy bedded on a stock tank over here, and we brought the 243 with us last night and put a round in him last night, and he took it like a champ and just took off running. Didn't find him last night, got dark, ended up running into some other pigs, and so shot a great little sow that we butchered up, and is going back home to Idaho with me. But we came out this morning just on a whim, said, you know, let's take a little bigger gun. We'll take the Thompson Contender 270 out, see if we can't relocate this guy, see maybe he's dead laying around. And came out, he wasn't in the same tank, but he was in a different tank this morning. Found him bedded just like we did yesterday, and no obvious signs of injury from yesterday. But man, I put the first 270 round in him, and then I put the second one in him, and then he stood there trying to run off with a broken shoulder for about 10 minutes. We ended up coming back over here and putting a third round in him. So he took a 243, a 270 to the shoulder, a 270 to the neck, and then a 270 to the vitals. So just absolutely scary tough. This is probably 250, 300 pound boar. Great cutters, best pig I've ever killed by far. Absolutely just ecstatic with this thing. So, yep, good time in Southwest Oklahoma. Thank you, Mark. This has just been an absolute awesome trip.